Once again, welcome back to your GK Buddy. Today, we will discuss how we can efficiently manage the free data storage space made available by Google. Google has been offering 15 GB free storage across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. From 1st June 2021, some changes have been effected. Now, the freebies have been reduced and some punitive action introduced for going over eligible quota and non-usage for over 2 years. Hence, unless we take care, we can end up having difficulties. Previously, for accounting the space occupied by files in Google Drive, space occupied by Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms, and Jamboard was not counted. Files created up to 31st May 2021 will continue to have this privilege, but not the ones created from 1st June 2021. Previously, for Google Photos, only original quality photos and videos were counted for space. High quality and express quality photos and videos were allowed unlimited quantity upload. These are two compressed formats for saving space, maintaining a level of visual quality. From 1st June 2021, high quality and express quality photos backed up to Google Photos will also be counted for space. If you do not use Gmail, Google Drive, including Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms, or Jamboard, or Google Photos for 2 years, your content in the inactive products may be deleted after notice. The space allotted by Google is used up by uploads to Google Drive, syncing media in Google Photos, and by the mails and attachment and backing up of your mobile phones. To understand it better, let us see an example. We will have a look at my Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Let's first go to my Google Drive. My Google Drive shows that 2.02 GB of 15 GB free space allowed by Google has been used up. Now let's see what is supposed in Gmail. Here again it shows that 2.02 GB of 15 GB is used. Let's have a look at the Google Photos also. In Google Photos also, it shows that 2 GB of 15 GB has been used up. The 2 GB space used indicated at Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos is the aggregate space used up. For better space management, it would be better that we know the space used by each of these utility separately. Google provides us detailed information to enable us to manage the storage usage efficiently. Let's go to onegoogle.com/storage. It gives us comprehensive information. You have got 15 GB storage, of which Google Drive takes up 1.9 GB, Gmail takes up 0.11 GB, and Google Photos, of course, does not occupy any space. This is the information we wanted. Overall use of storage is comfortably within limits in my case. I have already done some pruning, but let's see whether we can make it more efficient. Let's see first what does Google's storage management say. Let's go to the site onegoogle.com/storage/management. It says manage your account storage. It tells me that there are 5.7 MB deleted emails which have been moved to the bin but that haven't been permanently deleted. This is something I can take care of. And it also says that I have files moved to the bin but that have not been permanently deleted. These are files which I received as attachments. Here you can see it also gives a list of emails with large attachments. There is no spam in the spam folder, otherwise I could have deleted that also. Then there are deleted files with a total size of 228.9 MB in the bin which could be removed. I'll do it now and we will see how the total usage looks like after that. Now I will open the bin and see. These are the files in the bin. I have selected all files in the bin and now I will delete it forever. Now you watch the message on the screen. Messages that have been in the bin for more than 30 days will be deleted automatically. But now I have selected and I have given a delete. It is asking for confirmation. I will say empty bin now. Now having deleted the conversations in the Gmail account, we will go to my Drive account. Now I will empty the bin here. It's asking for a confirmation, delete forever. I will say delete forever. Now there is no file in the bin. Now if I click on the storage, it will give me a listing of the file according to the file size. Now I can have a review of the files, whether I have reason to hold it or I can remove it. The first file, I will select it and delete it. I don't need it. This video also I will delete, which has got 110 MB, which I don't require. Now this has gone to the bin. These two files are in the bin. If I want to regain my storage space, I have to delete it from the bin also. I will do it now. I have selected both the files and now I will delete it. It's asking for confirmation, delete forever. I say yes. That has also been done. Now you can have a look at the usage position here. Now after all these deletions, out of 15 GB, I have only 1.17 GB used up. So like that, I can review and delete the items in the bin, unwanted files in the drive, remove the files which are no more required. My Google Photos, I have not uploaded any file, so there is no problem. This as well is the aggregate usage position, 1.2 GB out of 15 GB. If I had photos uploaded, I could have reviewed to decide which photos to keep and optimize space use. It also gives a list of large files in the drive. Now, what happens if the total storage is exceeded? You will not be able to send any email in Gmail. You will not be able to upload any photo. You will not be able to upload files to drive. If you do not use Gmail, Google Drive, including Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms or Jamboard or Google Photos for 2 years, your content within the inactive products may be deleted after notice. If your data storage requirement is high, you can subscribe to Google One plan and enjoy the benefits that comes with that. It costs for 100 GB 1100 rupees per year, 2100 for 200 GB and 6500 for 2 terabytes. If we are alert and properly manage our storage, we can keep the requirement within the free 15 GB available. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it has been useful. If you liked it, please share it. Please also subscribe to our channel and keep the notification open so that I can notify you when I am ready with the next video. We value your feedback very much. Please communicate with us through the comment section. Thank you for watching. Watch against Corona and be safe. See you soon.